what is up, my prankster gangsters? Homie Cat here, and today just gonna be playing normal elevator just to chill out for a bit. And I know what you're thinking, it's late. Yes, I do know that, but I'll probably go to sleep at some point. Well, soon. Yeah, what we're gonna say, and it might be a permanent move to the Windows 7 because that HP laptop broke, and I was putting it on charge once on 100%. Well, I was taking it off. It ran 100%. I touched wire. It went white screen, said error 404 and shut down. And I didn't know what was going on. So it might be a permanent move to the Windows 7. I should be a bit embarrassed. A 1-year-old laptop dies before a 10-year-old laptop. Like, literally, it should be really embarrassed. Yeah, I've done a video on it before, but there's a couple more new flaws. I should really look at my favourites, but I tried making a normal elevator game last night and it went horrible. Wait, max 8 players, I'm sure. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with my throat. It just keeps pausing me for no reason. Oh yeah, that's one of the new flaws in there. Like, can you see Harlem's head? Like, it's small because it's little Dicky and Chris Brown in it. Now do the Harlem Shake. Because I have to call my mum. Well, where is your mum? Well, if you're in the house in your own, well, hopefully you're not like 9 or 10 or something, because you can't state age a 10-year-old. Probably 12 or 13, I don't know. And whoa. Guys, that music was copied from some. Oh, big cheese. Oh no, not this. Ah, my God. Oh, hi, Bacon. The dude scared me there. He was just looking in my eyes. Look in my eyes. Dude. Oh. Look, dude, why are you just staring at this? Oh, never mind. He would just start staring. Guys, he would just literally start staring at a wall for no reason. Look out. Oh, yes, this one, the new floor, guys, look. Chris Brown and Little Dicky are over there. Aha. Just look at how strange I look. Big fat shoes, a big head. Oh my God, this is hilarious. I could catch up with Chris Brown and Little Dicky. Hi Bacon, you just look weird as well. Okay, we're back to normal now. This is what Exploding TNT uses, is for his noob songs. For like Minecraft noobs or whatever. Still watch Exploding TNT, he's funny. Kind of weird. He did a voice reveal. Oh yes. Let me watch you, stupid Bacon. Oh man, I love this. Oi, noob. I've heard you can turn into a waffle somehow. Let me out. Let me be a waffle. Let me be the waffle. Waffle, please. Let me be. Waffle. Waffle. Oh no. Oh, she's lucky she got to be a waffle. Oh, I wish I was our. I don't think, well, obviously no one knows I'm right. This song was copied. Oh, this is not where. That is probably the strangest floor. Okay, I just found the floor in. Looks like Waffle Girl. Honey. XD. Why don't you throw waffles at whoever that is? XD. Get rid of them then. "17 seconds. Just dancing to the music. Lol. Yeah, put on her so we can eat her. Yeah, in it. Lol. Shark attack. Oh no, don't. In there, let's get in there. Oh no, the sharks are gonna eat her instead of us. We want to eat the Waffle Girl. What? Oh no. No. Let me eat the waffles. Let us eat the waffles. There's sharks flying around the city. Oh my god. Nearly whacked me with its tail. Wait, I thought these guys were the same people. I thought Heart Trick 248 and Lucky, whatever that says, were both like the same people. Sometimes that just happens and I don't know why, it just does. Why is it full of people with no Robux? Well, it don't matter, does it? But bacons I don't like. She's still a waffle, I want to eat her. And share her with the other girl. She can have half. Who? Moto. Oh, here comes Big Fat Ugly Noob. Okay, what the hell? That was weird. Okay. Everyone's stacking on top of him. Okay. It's just me and her that are not stacking. In fact, let's follow her. I'll just put tags. What the? I've never played. What do you do? Guys, I've never done this. I don't know. I've never been on this floor. Do I just... What? Oh, what? I don't get this. I don't get it. It's so confusing. I didn't get that. Okay, that was very confusing. yes. My favourite. Go on, Heart Trick. Oh, this is gonna be close. The Waffle Girl doesn't even know what to do. My god, that was funny. Guys, I don't even know. My muscles will look bigger, but my inserts are so long. What does inserts mean? Shut up. I thought we were supposed to. What? Why are you telling me to shut up? If you're telling me to shut up, then. Oh, right, yeah, the muscle guy gets annoying. Tell me about. Oh, guys, I nearly got that in. The muscle dude just shut up as soon as me and her just like shut up. Nope, he's still speaking. What are you doing? That just looks so wrong, Bacon. Why? Sorry. Okay, this floor is strange. I don't get this. It's just a couple of women. Oh my god. No thanks. Factory? What the? What the? Oh my god. What was that? Guys, what was that? Tom and Jerry music. That was hilarious. Ew, what's this one? Oh yeah, screw it. Calvin would like this. Screw it. The lift just shut on me. Ignorant lift. I know, right? Um, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I haven't seen this floor either. What? It's just what? Oh, I see. So anyway guys, I've got to end the video here. So anyway guys, hope you all enjoyed this video and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Whoa!